The usage of these technologies has become almost invasive, potentially interferes with our ability to live in the moment because we're constantly documenting and we're constantly preserving our experience as part of our desire for social validation in this virtual environment, rather than being focused on what's happening in front of our noses.
How can you put the genie back into the bottle? I mean, has the world changed forever? And how do you fix some of the problems that technology has created?
It's likely that entrepreneurs will create technologies that are designed to restore intimacy and to make people more connected and feel closer, and that some of the broadcast mediums, like Facebook and Twitter, that encourage sharing with the whole world, will eventually start to be replaced by more private, more closed, more intimate mediums. I think Snapchat is probably an example of a move towards privacy and security over living in a broadcast medium.